Hey guys, this week we are going to do another sensory activity, and the reason why we're doing another one is because sensory activities are really good for calming us down. They help us go from having a brain that's all over the place to calm, cool, and collected by playing and getting our hands moving, feeling the things that are going on, squeezing things, feeling rice, which is what we're going to work today. And it's good because it gets our focus from, oh my gosh, everything is going wrong, to calm down, to feeling, to focusing on the sensations in your hands. Today we're going to do something with essential oils again. So what you need is some rice, a cup measurer, food coloring again, and once again some essential oils so you can pick your favorite. This week I am going to do lavender and lemongrass. I want to mix those together and see how they will smell. You also need a pot for our rice. We aren't going to be cooking the rice, but we'll be heating it up a little bit. Most importantly, you need an adult. So let's go ahead and get started. It's a really fun and quick activity. So go ahead and turn your stove on to low. I'm going to put mine on like 2, and you're just going to let your pot heat up a little bit. While that's happening, you're going to go ahead and use your measuring cup to measure 2 cups of rice into that pot. My pot has heated up a little bit. I have 1 cup of rice in there already. I'm going to go ahead and add the 2nd cup of rice into that. And I'm just going to stir that rice around a little bit so it gets nice and hot. And make sure you have an adult. Once again, we are using a stove. So you're going to stir that for about 30 seconds, let that get nice and hot. While that is getting hot, use whatever food color you want. Mine is going to be green once again. And I'm going to add some green in there because I want to color my rice just because it'll look fun, and that will be awesome for when I am using this. Remember to keep that stove on low. Get my green food coloring in there. And now that I've got the green food coloring almost covering the entire rice, I am going to go ahead and drop some lavender into this. Lavender and lemongrass, because I like those smells. I like them together. I'm going to go ahead and finish mixing that in so that all of my rice is coated in the essential oils and all of my rice is coated in the green food coloring. Now, why do we heat it up? So that our essential oils can get into the rice and that smell can get in there, because the purpose of using this is that we'll have some nice rice to squeeze on and that smell will be working for us. And if we just lay it all right on top, it may not go through all the way like we want to. So you want to go ahead and get it all in there. So now my rice has been on here for about 1.5 minutes now, probably going on 2 minutes. So I'm going to give it about 10 more seconds, and then I'm going to take it off, and I'm just going to let it sit right there. My rice is nice and hot. I know that this is the bowl that I want to keep my rice in for when I do need it. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer that rice to this bowl. Very easily. Please make sure that you turn your stove off. You no longer need it. And now you have some essential oil rice to use and to keep you feeling good when you are stressed. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick and simple way to get a calming tool and have it at home. Utilize your tools, throughout all of this that's happening with the corona, and school's going to be out soon and it's getting hot and our emotions tend to flare up more in the heat of the moment, literally. So use your tools. I hope these activities help, and you guys stay well, stay good, and I will see you next week.